Today we are going to share with you the best 5 golf bags. These lightweight golf bags feature ample room for your gear and apparel and are a trendy choice when it comes to upgrading your equipment. The 5th product on our list today, kicking things off, is the Ping Hoofer Stand Bag. Featuring a highly innovative waterproof construction and 4 seam-sealed pockets, the lightweight and rugged Hoofer Stand Bag is tested and specially built to ward off the elements. An attached, deployable rain hood protects your clubs inside a rigid 5-way top. Even the easy adjusting sliding shoulder pads feature sensor dry technology to wick away moisture and keep you comfortable. At number 4, we've got the Titleist 14-way stand bag. Designed for players who walk and ride, the Titleist 14-way stand bag is fully featured with all the bells and whistles synonymous with Titleist's premium line of golf bags. Offered in an expanded range of color options and made with durable, lightweight materials, this bag will appeal to avid, serious, and occasional golfers alike. Featuring a new internal stand mechanism and proprietary convertible strap system, it delivers the utmost in stability, performance, and comfort. Up next at number 3, we have the Nike Air Sport Light Stand Bag. Effortlessly navigate the links with a Sportlight Carry 2 stand bag. Weighing less than 4 pounds, this bag features a 5-way top with 2 full-length dividers for storage. Nike EquiFlex Max Air shoulder straps pair with a ventilated air mesh back pad for comfort during your carry. 6 pockets, including a fleece-lined valuables pocket and full-length apparel pocket, create secure gear storage within the Nike Sportlight Carry 2 stand bag. Number 2 on our list, the runner-up, is the Sun Mountain 2.5. Building the lightest, full-featured golf bag on the market requires precision. To accomplish this goal, they chose to use carbon fiber legs, lightweight nylon fabric, high-density foam, high-strength-to-weight plastics, and the proprietary X-Strap dual-strap system. The finished product weighs in at a scant 2.5 pounds and is Golf Digest Editor's Choice Golf Bag in the lightweight bag division. And the top product on the list today is the Callaway Hyperlight Zero. Engineered to be Callaway's lightest stand bag, Hyperlight Zero is made with highly durable, featherlight fabrics and a carbon fiber leg system. To complete the package, they've added enough zippered pockets to accommodate all you may need on the course. A 4-way divided top includes 2 full-length dividers for simple organization and easy carrying. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments. And if you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day!